Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to add decals in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening any one browser. Go to roblox.com and log into your account. Next, click on Create button. From the left side, tap on Creations. After that, tap on Development Items. Select Decals, which is below Development Items. The file can be JPG, PNG, TGA or BMP. You can upload only one file of size 20 MB. Now tap on Upload Assets. Tap on the Upload button to upload the file. Select the file that you want to upload. Next, enter the name and description. After that, tap on Upload button. If you want to distribute to create a store, simply tap on the decal you've uploaded. Toggle the button of Distribute on Create a Store and tap on Save Changes button. And that's how you can add decals in Roblox.